Here is the best way on how to redeem code in Kingshot. So I'm going to exactly show you how you can use gift codes on Kingshot. First up, just simply open up Kingshot, just like that. So it's just gonna check all the version info and everything. So once you're in game, what you need to do is just simply look out for your avatar. Right over here on the corner, you'll be able to see your avatar. Just simply go ahead and press on your avatar. Once you're over there, here as you can see, it'll show you some info, but you just need to press on settings on the bottom. And once you're in settings, you'll see the gift option if you're an Android device. So this option is only for those who are on Android. It's not for iOS. But if you're on iOS, just follow up on the next step that I'm going to show you. So yeah, just copy your ID as well. What you need to do is just go to this website called ksgiftcode.com, or you can just simply search up Kingshot code redeem. Just like that. It's just gonna take you to the code center like this. Now right over here, you just gotta paste in the code that you copied, and right over here you gotta enter the gift code. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.